The market theme after yesterday's sharp plunge, Nifty seen looking for direction as the trading theme still revolves around President Donald Trump blasting Iran's response to a U.S. peace proposal, which drove oil prices higher and made investors feel a little more on edge about the conflict in the Middle East. Our call of the day: the unsinkable benchmark Nifty is likely to be on high alert on the backdrop of 1. Headlines from the Iran war. 2. The Strait of Hormuz still in mess. 3. Sticky oil prices at $98 a barrel. The big economic triggers this week. India. Asterisk CPI inflation data, Tuesday, 12th May. Asterisk WPI inflation data, Thursday, 14th May 2014. Asterisk trade deficit data, Friday, 15th May. China. Asterisk inflation and PPI data, Monday, 11th May. Asterisk trade balance and current account data, key focus. United States. Asterisk US CPI inflation, Tuesday, 12th May. Asterisk PPI inflation, Wednesday, 13th May. Asterisk retail sales, Thursday, 14th May. Bottom line, expect Dalal Street to remain range-bound and highly headline-driven, as investors closely track crude oil prices, inflation trends, central bank commentary, geopolitics, and Q4 earnings for fresh direction. Nifty's make-or-break support for the day is placed at 23,651 mark. Market trends. Global cues are negative. FIIs sold Rs. 8,438 crores of shares in yesterday's negative session. DIIs, on the other hand, bought shares worth Rs. 5,940 crores. Sentiment is likely to waver. Market breadth is expected to be neutral. Technicals suggest consolidation for Nifty. F&O data for May suggests Nifty's trading action for May likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX shot up to 18.51, up plus 9.93%. USD INR futures for May expiry at 95.33. Nifty PCR at 1.11. Bank Nifty PCR at 0.78. FI Nifty PCR at 0.53. Midcap Nifty PCR at 1.29. Nifty outlook: Nifty may waver a bit with negative bias, but confirmation of strength only if oil prices cools off. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty closing price 23,816. Support seen at 23,651 on closing basis. Resistance at 24,022 mark on closing basis. Range is likely to be between 23,700 to 24,000 zone. Bias is neutral. Sensex closing price at 76,015. Support seen at 75,551 mark on closing basis. Resistance at 76,617 mark on closing basis. Range is likely to be between 75,500 to 76,500 zone. Bias is likely to be neutral. Bank Nifty closing price 54,440. Support seen at 54,211 on closing basis. Resistance seen at 55,100 mark. Range is likely to be between 53,700 to 55,000 zone. Bias is likely to be neutral. Stock market news. 1. U.S. President Donald Trump is scheduled to visit Beijing on May 14 to 15 for a high-stakes summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Geopolitical tensions, particularly trade tariffs, Taiwan, the Iran war, and artificial intelligence (AI), loom over the upcoming meeting. Market participants and geopolitical observers increasingly believe that Xi may enter the summit from a position of relative strength, as Washington seeks Beijing's cooperation on global trade stability, rare earth supplies, and the Strait of Hormuz crisis, while China continues to leverage its economic and strategic influence. 2. Good news came in that the government on Monday assured citizens that there was no shortage of petrol or diesel in the country, a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged people to reduce fuel dependence amid the ongoing West Asia crisis. 3. The Indian rupee closed at a fresh closing low against the US dollar on Monday as rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East pushed crude oil prices higher and strengthened the dollar globally. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 F26 earnings to trickle in. Tuesday, 12th May 2026, Birch Paint, Dixon, Pfizer, Tata Power, Vanguard. 1. Aether Industries, minus 1.05%, 1,200.7. Shares of electric two-wheeler, E2W, company, Aether Energy hit a new high of 986 rupees and 80 paise, surging 8% on the BSE in Monday's intraday trade on the back of a healthy demand outlook. 2. ABB, minus 4.98%, 6388. ABB reported a 24% year-on-year rise in order inflows for Q1 CY26, including 26% growth from India within the EMEA region, driven by demand from data centers and railways. However, margins came under pressure due to higher raw material costs, adverse currency movements, intensifying competition, and slower execution. 3. Niva Bupa Health Insurance, plus 3.72%, 84.31. Niva Bupa Health Insurance Company shares gained 10.3% on BSE, logging an intraday high at 89 rupees and 72 paise per share. However, at 9:52 a.m., Niva Bupa's share price paired some gains and was up 4.58% at 84 rupees and 99 paise per share.